It's Tim and Tammy time, and we're on vacation.
Yes, we are. We're in Parrot, Georgia. And we're just going to look at this beautiful little. See?
Please like, please subscribe. Y'all look at these plants coming up through the sidewalk here. Everything is pretty well closed here. Residential neighborhoods through there.
I'm gonna cross the road over here real quick. Post office across the road that way.
There's the post office right there. Old pen over there. Y'all see that old pen? Wow. I wonder if this is like a gathering place for them. Yeah, that's the post office.
Wooden floor.
Yeah, wooden floor. And what did you call this, Tammy? An old western type
It looks
town?
like it looks like an old west set, you know, kind of the raised
And this is
sidewalk over
again
here.
Parrot, Georgia.
The building across the street doesn't have a roof on it. They're working in this building right here, though. That first office building,
Yeah.
it's got work stuff going on.
They have trash cans out, so it's
Yeah, but it doesn't seem like anything's actually alive down here.
it's just the facade right here. Because the air conditioning units is right there.
Oh, okay. Well, you're probably right. Most of us just got old stuff in there,
Just old stuff.
antiques and junk. Well, this is what you call window shopping for real.
Yeah.
Hey, they got a mattress in there. Let me get up in the mattress. Give me the mattress and box first. Hey, look, there's a volleyball net in there.
Yeah, there is. You know what? We're going to go down that alley.
Okay, let's do that in a minute. Let's go there and come back.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, I love that screen door.
Tammy gets easily amused and entertained.
Tammy loves the screen door.
That's why I married her, because I don't have to be complicated.
Y'all thank God Tim ain't got to be complicated.
Whoa, I just ran into a cobweb. I need help.
Take the camera or you want me to? I don't see anything, honey.
Well, I'm there.
Oh, wait a minute. Come back. Come around. I felt it.
Okay. I just got attacked by a cobweb. I usually see those things.
I didn't see it when I was pulling it off.
I still got some in me.
Look. Across the street at the balcony up top.
Yeah, high-end antiques.
I see, look, over here, this sign that says Parrot, Georgia on it. I bet that was the depot. All these little towns had trains running through. There's a...
Y'all look at this little tree in the middle of this place.
I think there's a walking track over here now, where the train used to be. There's a small graveyard across the street. You see it?
Yeah, across 280, yeah, I see it.
I ain't crossing 280.
No, I mean, is that 280? But anyway, that's
That is 280.
Parrot, Georgia.
Actually, it's 520 here. 520.
That's the train depot.
There, look at that. Look at that building, how it's... Let's go over there to look at that building.
Yeah.
Of course, I know they have them over there where Waycross they have funny buildings like that. There might actually be people there.
Yeah, they probably are. But y'all, there's a little small cemetery right over there. We're not going to go to it. It's too busy of a road to try to cross, but that's it right there. Of course, Tammy's crossing in the longest possible way you can cross. You know, this high traffic town here. Hey, dear, you're missing something. Y'all, look at that door.
Oh my goodness, I did. You know,
It used to be a set of stairs.
I bet this used to be a building right here where it's grass area now. I could be wrong.
There's another one over there. No, those are windows. Sorry. Those are all windows. Ta-da!
You know, so this, I just want to see it. I can see where it is. Oh. Sound playing outdoor musical instruments.
Yeah.
I guess they make them here. Cool. I love that red door. I see a red door and I want to paint it black. It looks like, look, that's the chair Goldilocks sat in and broke. That's Baby Bear's chair.
More shops. See the sign?
There's more shops this way.
Yeah.
Nothing in them, but there's more shops this way. Now, look at that old service station. Oh, that light's on. See if you can, at some point, the signs, stop signs in the way. You see them two little gas pumps over there? Ah, look at here. 1906.
1906.
Look at that. I love the screen door, y'all.
Tammy's a lot braver than I am, that's for sure.
What, opening the screen door?
Yeah. Look at this. Look at all this.
Foliage coming out through it.
Yeah. I'm not worried about the ghosts. I'm more worried about Barney 5.
A.J. Lee, 1906.
Did you hear me?
What,
I'd be more worried about Barney 5.
There ain't nothing wrong with opening the screen. Look.
Yeah.
Look, they got Beetlejuice curtains up there. I'm just going to say that. Toppers, Beetlejuice.
I'm going to get this sign right here.
Okay. I don't know why the lights are still on. They're not on across the road, are they?
Don't know.
They're not on down here. Okay, something's haunted. Oh my goodness. Watch us on YouTube. Antique Ghost Town.
International INT Detective Bureau. Huntington Merchant Police.
Listen, this building we're standing in front of is open Thursday through Saturdays. I want everybody to look at there. Antique Ghost Town. They had a visit from the Antique Nomad.
Y'all. Look at that old tile down there.
This is the Planners Bank Gallery. I knew this was the bank at one time. You can just tell.
I don't know if you can read it. Huh?
You gotta go up there and look through the window. It's still set up just like a bank.
I was looking at the old tile they got here.
I love that tile.
Oh yeah. Columns. Porch.
This would be a great place to sit down and write a ghost story, you know?
Well,
Look at this.
I'm going to tell you what they probably do on the weekends. They probably come over here and grill.
Well, I guess that.
Because they probably do have visitors. Look at that old building right there, y'all. I like the second floor. Kind of a New Orleans type thing or something. Not that I've ever been to New Orleans, but you know.
That's another thing that makes me think of the West, though. You know, that looks like, that was probably the hotel.
Probably was. See what we got down here. We have a volleyball net.
The volleyball back there, too. Look at them stairs. Right there. What is it back there?
Oh yeah. I'm looking for a huge set of steps.
Oh, I'm sorry. Hey, we go all the way right there.
You know what I didn't get? Hat. Yeah. Especially when we go to the beach. Okay. That was
Parrot, Georgia.
grocery, some
was
type
the
of grocery store.
That was Ale
Lowell's
Lowell
maybe?
Grocer.
I don't know if y'all getting this or not because it's so bright out here. But this looks like a town that's probably happens during the weekend and no other
Most of these
time.
buildings are empty. There's only one building that's
Well, what I mean, we've got a volleyball court here.
Oh, I imagine the people that live close by probably town.
So I don't know if this what the name of this cemetery is. We're just gonna say it's a cemetery in Parrot, Georgia,
I imagine it's Parrot Cemetery.
but it's beautiful. There's two water towers right there. That's a nice shot right there. Let me do a span across.
It's just concrete slabs. I mean, it's great.
Valentine. Done. More duns. Okay, I gotta do this. Hope we don't see no dolls moving in here.
This is 1924. This is the Tilly. Look at that stained glass on the back.
See that? Okay, there ain't no dolls in there, so that's good.
No, but there are 6 graves in there. 5 with names on them, or 4 with names on them. 4 with names on them. I love these columns. Okay. So we're standing here in front of the Tilly grave. Okay, when Lucy had the seance on I Love Lucy, they were trying to contact Tilly. She thought Tilly was a man's wife, but Tilly was the dog. But over there is Hannah, and Mrs. Hannah was Lucy's teacher, her drama teacher. And she's played by the grandma.
Are you saying Lucille Ball comes from Parrot, Georgia?
No, that's not what I'm saying. I'm just saying everybody from the show must come from Parrot.
Look at that. That is such a beautiful scene right there.
Look at those clouds.
I haven't been able to figure out how to get the sun and everything involved in it, but
You'd have to go way down that hill over there.
yeah, I know.
It might work, it might not, I don't know.
But I love the way the
Water
towers are a background of clouds. And we might be getting rained on in a minute. I don't know.
Oh, that's just a few little black clouds. Ain't much bigger than a fist. They gonna hurt you.
Okay. Still in Parrot, Georgia. Tammy's gonna stay in the car because she don't want to get run over, but you know. So we'll let her back in, right? We got another little cemetery. I think it's a family cemetery right over here, right next to the road, the main road. A couple of benches right there for people to sit in, I suppose. But this is it. I think these are more parrots. Yeah, these are more parrots. Died 1888. Can't really tell about that one. I don't think I'm going to go into this thing because I don't want to mess up this. It's got a gate, but kind of looks rugged and raggedy. $1865. Another little grave right there. Pretty little tree. And it said this is just a family cemetery. You got a couple of benches out here, people to sit. And this was a little parrot. We saw some parrots in the bigger cemetery. Those are some more parrots. Obviously we're in Parrot, Georgia, so look at the interesting little tree right here. Okay.